Hey guys, welcome back to another spec geek video. Today I'm installing an X-brace to my E36 this is a good OEM way to upgrade the handling of the car. So this brace actually goes to the front subframe of the car and it tightens up the handling characteristic of the E36. Also, I'll be replacing all of the belt pulleys and tensioner assembly because I believe mine it's due. The previous owner of the car changed out the belts, but he never did any of the pulleys or tensioners, so this is what I will be installing today as well. So this is the AC belt tensioner and the pulley that I'll be replacing for that side, and this is the idler pulley. It feels nice and tight, and I also will be replacing the whole accessory belt tensioner assembly. This is a pretty nice kit from FCP Euro. It comes with all the hardware that you can just replace the whole unit with. I was able to take out the whole AC belt tensioner assembly out of the car. You will probably run into an issue where you don't have enough leverage to break loose this Allen head bolt to this pulley. So when it's mounted up the car, it's actually like right up against the fan and the shroud, and I'm too lazy to take out the fan. So what I did is I took out the assembly, and in order to have leverage, I put it back in the car, but I put it upside down. So now I have a lot more room to access this Allen bolt, and I have more leverage and I could break it loose while I was up in the car. But what I did is I put it down like that, put the two bolts back in, and I just used a long breaker bar and I just broke it loose. So the new pulley is super smooth and it's not supposed to be like that. The new one is supposed to be like, it's pretty hard to spin. There's some like friction to it. This is the new tensioner that will be going in. You might want to lube this area. So this is here. Another bolt. So this would be the AC belt tensioner assembly. Oh, I forgot that I actually had to grab this backing plate from the old pulley and put on the new pulley. Make sure that the orientation of this backing plate is correct. So this is the tensioner for the accessory belt, and also I got a new idler pulley as well that I can put on. So I have put everything back together, all the tensioners. I don't know, it's probably really hard to see, but also like the accessory belt tensioner on the right side, all on the top, and also the AC belt tensioner on the left side here. I just got done putting in the X-brace. you actually is replacing, you have to remove this bar that was like sitting right here. That has to come out so that the X-brace can take its place. So the X-brace is it actually ties the chassis with the subframe, so everything is more rigid. And make sure your motor mount has to be in good condition. It's not sagging. If not, your oil pan would actually hit the X-brace. But it looks like it has pretty good clearance all around. I think on this side is a little bit close over there, but other than that, it looks pretty good. To install the brace is pretty easy. It's just two 16 millimeter bolts in the back and 4 13 millimeter bolts in the front. Thank you very much for watching. That wraps up this video. So the next project is probably gonna be me replacing the windshield cowl to a new one, as well as the fill filter that I ordered. So if you have any questions or comment, make sure to drop them down below. Follow us for more specking adventures, and see you next time.